Hello guys, this is SatchiScape. Welcome to my channel. Here I am helping out to make website design and development skills. If you are new here, make sure you click the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that whenever I am uploading the new videos, you will get notified every time. In addition with this video, I am also providing the source code that I am using so that you can use for your own projects. So guys, today's topic is called Bootstrap version 4.5.2 Phase 8. Here I am going to explain you how to make the contact us page with one corporate address, one feedback form and the Google map. In the Google map, I have also given the latitude longitude with the specific location using the Google map, and the feedback form, it will go to your specific mail ID and one corporate address with the mandatory fields: one input, first name, last name, phone number, select Dropbox phone number with ISD code, and one message box with the validation. Everything is there. For that you have to go some simple steps. You have to go to SatchiScape, then you have to go to articles. When you go to the articles, you have to see the Bootstrap version 4.5.2 Phase 8. From there, you have to click the Explore More. Then you have to go to the Read More. There I have given the short descriptions, whatever I have used. Then you have to click the Download. When you click the Download button, it will go to the Dropbox. When you click the Dropbox, you are going to specify the Phase 8. Then you have to download the file. When you download the file, you have to place this file in a WAMP or JAM folder to test your file. Then you have to run the file called localhost/phase8. When you run your file, you will see the form, corporate address, Google map. Everything is there. You have to simplify your email ID only and change your phone number, address, and the Google map. You have to get the latitude, longitude. You can see from the Google anything like your specific corporate address. You can give your number, everything, and one feedback form, error message, your mail ID, everything process I have given. So guys, when you are going to open your file, it will look like this. Then the same thing in the CSS folder, you can see the CSS file was there, and you can see the fonts folder also there. Then you can see the image folder. I have given some image for this template is there, and the JS folder same as it is. Then you can see the fab icon and one error page and one index page and one send mail PHP page and one thank you page. So guys, the design today I am going to make is called contact us. In the contact us, how is work, like I have given here the contact form, and also I have given one Google map with corporate address. Here you can see the page is looking like this. The top you can see the logo, the header, navigation, top part, inner banner, contact us, the breadcrumb title and corporate address, and here you can see the feedback form, and the down you can see the Google map with the location. You can see the close button also there, and in the down you can see the copyright and the social media. Okay guys, for that the editing things, you can see you have to open this file in Notepad or Dreamweaver. Then you have to open CSS file like custom CSS is SatchiScape as it is. You can see my previous video why I am using the SatchiScape CSS is a custom CSS. Then you have to open sendmail.php. This is the one in the Dreamweaver. Then you can see here thank you and the error message you have to open. I'll show you why the error message and the thank you message the page is needed. Okay guys, you see the structure called error message.html. Oops, please ensure you have completed all fields before submitting the form. Like this is the form. If throwing error is going to show like this. The thank you page, you can see after you submit, it will be redirect you. We appreciate that you the time send your feedback. Your feedback has been sent to the webmaster. You can change anything. When you click the back to us, it will go to the contact page and whatever you can give anything. right guys. Then you can see here index.html, which is the contactors page I show you before. This is the one, is index.html, and the access is localhost/phase08, right guys. When you're going to open this notepad, there is nothing changed here, only will go to the, after inner banner you will go to the, you can see the form is there, the breadcrumb. You have to see, you have to change the title, and you have to change the contactors breadcrumb because it's from home page contactors. And here you can see the contactors is highlighted. For that, in the navigation, here I've given the class active, that's why it's coming orange color, because where the page is, for that you have to give the contactors as a active. Then when you are coming down, you can see the left side I've given the corporate address like contactors address, and the right side I divided with the contact form. Like I told you before, the Bootstrap grid is like a 12 columns, right? So I divided by 4 into 8. In the 4 I've given corporate address with address, postbox, whatever, and you can see here the font awesome icon I have used, the number. And when you click the number, sometimes we are opening the website in the mobile. When you click the mobile number, in the mobile number, when you are going to click, it will open in a system, so that the code is written till the phone number. Then you can see the email ID is also written. Hello is like a mail to hello@satchiscape.com. The code why we are written mail to hello@satchiscape.com. When you are going to click here, it will open in the Outlook automatically. So that's why we are written hello@satchiscape.com. Then you can see in the down, the Google map is there, and the right side the feedback form. Feedback form also with a validation. You can see the validation is there. For that, first name you have to fill like how the how the feedback form is written. Like the form is passing the message by send_mail.php, which is this file. You can see in the root folder is there. I have already shown you this one. Then what you are going to do, in the down you see the message is passing, then the gray color is, then you can see the feedback form. In the feedback form, first name, last name, and all the ISD code is written. This is all the ISD code. You can take it from HTML, but I have written everything from the HTML. Then you can see the contact number is there. In the contact number you have to place your phone number. Then you can see the email ID. Then after that you can select the Dropbox. I just given the normal fields which you can implement for your any contactors projects. In the contactors, sometimes input, 2 inputs is there, 2 phone numbers like is there, so Dropbox also there, email ID there. I've given with the small fields. So these small fields you can implement with your different projects. Like you can see here the message also there with a 5 maximum length. Submit button is there. So guys, the mandatory fields, you can see here the mandatory fields is coming through this message, required. That's why the mandatory field is required. If you are giving the required, is like a mandatory. Why we are giving the star is a mandatory. People can know is a star means mandatory. So when you are giving the mandatory, you have to return the code called required. So the message is going to show required message, means you have to fill this form. Okay guys, then you can see this form. For the feedback form, how I made, what is the process, you can see in the description box. I have made the feedback form HTML how to make. Here also is very easy, you can use from this code also. Here is send_mail.php. Here you can see I have given my some social accounts, is called kana.dx@gmail.com. You can give multiple account like this, xyz@gmail.com. You can give multiple account. Okay, then Here the feedback page is called index.html. because why I've given index.html, because I've only given one page. So if I'm giving the multiple page, one folder like index, about, contact us, everything is multiple. Like here I'm going to make a contact us.html page is there, then I have to return here contact us.html. Then the error message is throwing error underscore message.html, and the thank you message is showing thank you.html. Here the field is there, the first name, last name, message, select designations, everything is there. And here also first name, last name, where the Gmail account is showing is written there. You have to work smartly and simply. So try whatever I have written here, you have to write like the same things. If you are going to write the different, it will not work. You can see here the name called first underscore name, here the last underscore name. You can see here first underscore name, last underscore name, email underscore address, country code, C capital, phone, select designation, message, everything is there. So you have to write accordingly here. You can see and you can compare also how is written, right guys? Then how you can see your first name, last name, phone and email, select designation, message, everything is there, which is show in your account. I've given the Gmail account, so it will show your Gmail account. So guys, here you can see here in the down, after form, in the down I've written the Google map. You can see here, this is the Google map. Very simple. You have to only return the latitude, longitude and your corporate address, email ID and phone number. You have to write more like fax, multiple email ID, you can give it here. And this is latitude, longitude. I'm just given normal latitude, longitude. From here you have to give map script. You have to open this map script in your code, and you can see here there is an icon. This icon I have made. You can change your icon through, you can go to image folder. Here the pin icon is there. This is the pin icon. You can change it, and yeah, it's like I have given orange color is my brand color, so you can give your orange color with your brand color, so that you can change. Here you can see the map script, SatchiScape, H5 as per your brand, P class address. Here the font of some icon, the telephone number, the email ID, everything is there. See, everything is there, email address. You can see, very simple. Then for the latitude and longitude, like you have to give your latitude, longitude, where is your place. For that you have to mention the latitude, longitude here. This is the latitude and this is the longitude, and this is longitude and this is the latitude. But you have to change the latitude, longitude and your map will become. And for text and the color and the font size, if you want to edit, here in the SatchiScape you can see here, you can, I've given the breadcrumb. Then you can see the gallery, contact us. In the contact us I've written everything. For the background color, for the font size, form design, you can see here. For the form design I've given. For the Google map, this is the Google map. You can see the Google map height, like what is the height you are going to show. You can see this height, I've written it here. And inside the map, the pop-up, this text box and the email ID, phone number is written here. Email ID, address, margin, everything, the icon, padding right. If I want to give 59, what will happen? You can see here, if I'm giving 59 padding right from the icon, is looking very ugly. You can see 59. The everything is written accordingly the requirement and is fully responsive. Okay guys, is fully responsive. See, the margin button is coming and everything is there. So I'll show you how the feedback form is working. And for this feedback form is running, you have to upload these files in your server so that you can see how the feedback form is working. So for that I have uploaded this file in my server. You can see here Sachi, and the last name I've given Scape. The mobile number here, you can give your mobile number, is mandatory in other countries. Then you can see here I am giving hello at SatchiScape. The designation is UI and hi test. So when I am click the submit button, it will go to the thank you page. If the message is not going to work, it will go to the error page. From here you can see the thank you, your feedback. We appreciate that you took the time send us feedback. Your feedback has been sent to webmaster. You can give anything related your corporate, whatever is working, whatever is details you can give, and you can give some small logo. I've given just general template. You can give as per your requirement, you can give. Then from here when you click the back to contact us, it will come to here, like somebody wants to fill the form again and send to the webmaster, so they can send also. So this is the way. Then when you are going to send your webmaster things, it will go to the webmail. So I show you in your files in a local host. Then you have to send this file to you have to upload this file to your server. Then you can see if you are sending by localhost, the submit button will work. It will go to the thank you page, and when you are coming back, everything will work, but it's not showing to your Gmail account. So you have to open the sites in your server. When you're opening your server, you have to purchase the domain. You can go through the GoDaddy or any online selling software companies, like they are selling the domain and hosting panel. You have to book your domain and hosting, and you have to place your file, everything in the server, then it will work. For that I have made one test, like this is, you guys know about my website called SatchiScape. Then you can see I have uploaded my folder in the Phase08 in a SatchiScape for the testing purpose. Then you can see the thank you message is here, then everything is there. So this is the flow. Then you can change your email ID also, everything is there. You can change your email ID and everything will be work. So you can see here the Gmail, I got the mail, I sent 2-3 times, so I got 2-3 times. You can see here 0 minutes before, Sachi, last name SatchiScape. This is the phone number and email ID. Then select designations and message, everything is there. This is auto message coming to my email ID. You can give your any official email ID, so it will work. Alright guys, now we are going to end up with this video. If you are really enjoyed my tutorial, please like, subscribe and press the bell icon, so that whenever I am uploading the new videos, you will get notified every time. Thank you, bye bye, stay safe.